Okay, let's continue with our session. Guess the appropriate unit for each of the below images. So I will ask you how we can measure these things, okay? In which standard of unit? Krishna, bus.
Ma'am, in meter.
Okay. If we have to measure the distance between Kashmir and Delhi by bus, so how we can measure? I won't be able to hear you.
Kilometer. By kilometers. Kilometer.
Kilometer, good. Okay. My next question is for Govind.
Kilometer.
Govind, door. How we can measure door?
By measuring tape.
Yeah, by measuring tape. But in which standard of unit? Millimeter, meter, centimeter, or kilometer?
Kilometer.
No, door. We cannot measure door in kilometer.
70 meter.
Yeah, meter. We measure in meter. Okay. Ruhi, how we can measure this rice? Rice are very small, right? So we measure in centimeter or millimeter. What do you think?
Millimeter.
Very good. It's millimeter. Okay, Mishika, how you can measure the eraser?
Centimeter.
Very good. Centimeter. Okay. Krishna, how we can measure this?
Pepsi can.
Yeah, can.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. In centimeters.
Yeah, in centimeter. Okay. Ishanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
how can we measure the distance of road?
In kilometers.
In kilometers. Okay, good. It means you all are clear with the concept. The distance between continents, places, kilometer. Rice, grain, they are very small. So we measure in millimeter. If we measure the size of bus, it's meter. Okay. Size of bus will be in meter. Door, meter. Nut and bolt, it could be centimeter or millimeter. Depends on its size. Road, kilometer. Pen, centimeter. Eraser, centimeter. Pepsi can. Okay, Pepsi can is centimeter and gem, millimeter. Relationship between the units of length. Okay, before this, I would like to take a rest. 5 minutes break. Okay. You all have 5-minute break. Okay, so let's continue with our class. We were learning the relationship between the units, length of unit. So let's do it easy. Okay. So children, can you tell me how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? Write in the chat box. In 1 centimeter, how many millimeters we have? Tell me faster. Yeah, 10. Very good. So in 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeter. Second, now tell me how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? How many centimeters are there in 1 centimeter? In 1 centimeter. Yeah, there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter. For example, this is 1 meter. Example, this is 1 meter. So there are 100 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 100. Okay. So 1 meter has 100 centimeter. Okay. Next, now tell me how many meters are there in 1 kilometer? In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? Yeah, 1000 meter has 1 kilometer. If we have 1000 meter of something, that will make 1 kilometer. Okay. So this you can write somewhere. If you don't know, you can write in your copy or paper or somewhere. 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. 1 meter has 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. If you want to write, you can. If you are done, just give me thumbs up. If you are done with, okay, Shanvi has done. Okay, Govind has done. Do it fast. Done. Okay, Ruhi is done. Mishika, Krishna, are you done with it? Good. Okay. The other thing you should know, students, that if you go from bigger to smaller, you have to multiply. Okay. And if you go from smaller to bigger, you have to divide. This you can also write. You can draw on your page or somewhere. If you go from bigger to smaller, you have to multiply. And if you go smaller to bigger, you should divide. Okay, done. Govind, are you writing? Sure? Write by yourself. Okay. Okay, next. See, if we are going bigger to smaller, we will multiply, right? If we are going smaller to bigger, we have to divide. Divide with what? In 1 kilometer, we have 1000 meter. Okay, so divide these numbers. For example, if I say, okay, if I say change 7 kilometer into meter. So from bigger to smaller, you will multiply. Okay. So multiply, how many meters are there in 1 kilometer?
1000.
1000. So you have to multiply 7 by 1000. 7 ones are
7.
7. How many zeros are there? 3.
3.
So make 3 zeros. Okay. 7 kilometer has 7,000 meter. Now all of you do one by one. Ishanvi, unmute yourself. Ishanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
7 kilometer change into meter. From bigger to small, what we do? Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply. Okay. So in 1 kilometer, we have 1000 meter, right?
Yes.
So multiply 5 into 1000. Multiply.
Ma'am, answer is 500.
500 how? 5 ones are 5.
5.
3 zeros are there. So put 3 0. 5,000 meter. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Ruhi, change 3 kilometer into meter. What we do? Multiply or divide? Multiply. Okay. So multiply 3 with 1 kilometer has 1000 meter, right? So multiply 3 by 1000. Yeah. What will be your answer? 3000s are
3,000.
okay. The easy way to multiply 3 ones are 3 ones are
3 multiplied by 1 किती है?
3.
3. How many zeros are there?
3.
3. So put 3 zeros. Okay. 3 multiplied by 1000 is 3000. 3000 meter. Is it clear? Okay. Govind. 2 kilometer into meter.
2,000.
2000. Direct, you answered. Good. 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000. Mishika. 8 kilometer change into meter.
2,000.
Sorry?
2,000.
2000? 8. 8.
8 kilometers.
See, in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter, right?
Yes.
Right? If we go from bigger to small, we have to multiply. So multiply 8 into 1000.
8,000.
Yeah, 8,000 meter. That is why I'm asking one by one. Because I'm really sure you are confused in it. That is why I told you to write. Okay. Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
9 kilometer has dash meter.
9,000 meters.
Yeah, 9,000. Okay. So I think it is all clear to you about the multiplication. Let's do division. Ruhi, why did you unmute yourself? Sorry, don't switch off your camera, okay? Okay, let's do the next one.
Switch off. With some issues, just switch off.
It's okay, it's okay. See, now if we want to go from smaller to bigger, what we do? Multiply or divide? Yes, Mishika? From smaller to bigger, we multiply or divide? You can see in your copy. I told you to write. If we go from smaller to bigger.
Multiply, ma'am.
No. From smaller to bigger, we have to divide. Okay. Suppose I have 9,000 meter. Now change into kilometer. Smaller to big. So what we do? Divide. In 1 kilometer, we have 1,000 meter. So divide 9,000 by 1,000. How many zeros are there? 3. So cut 3 zeros with 3 0. What is left here? 9. So answer is 9 kilometers. You have to cut zeros from this. If there are 3 zeros, cut 3 zeros. If there are 2 zeros, cut 2 zeros. Okay? Another example. Suppose if I say
What?
if I say 150, sorry, 5,000 meter into, no, 500 centimeter into meter. So how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100, right? So we will cut how many zeros? 2 zeros we cut from 500. 5 is left. So answer is 5 meter. Can I take your random test? If it is clear to you? Ruhi? Now you have to change, okay? 5,000 meter into kilometer. From smaller to big, you have to divide, right? Yeah. 1 kilometer has 1,000 meter. Divide them. There are 3 0 in 1,000, right? So how many zeros we cut from 5,000? 3. What is left? 5. So answer is 5 kilometers. Easy? Mishika? Mishika? 500 centimeter to meter. In 1 meter, how many centimeters we have?
1,000 centimeters.
No, check in your notebook. In 1 meter, how many centimeters we have?
100 centimeters.
Yeah, 100 centimeter. Now from bigger to smaller to big, we have to divide. So divide 500 by 100. How many zeros are in 100?
2.
2. So we have to cut 2 zeros from 500. Okay.
Yes.
What is left?
5.
Yeah. So 5 meter is your answer. Any confusion?
No. Just give me a chance.
You want chance? Okay. My next question is for everyone. All of you write in the chat box. I'm writing something. Let's see who will give me the right answer. So if I give you 550 millimeter into centimeter. Change 50 millimeter into centimeter. Write your answer in the chat box. Okay, Krishna and Govind has given me answer. What about others? Just do it fast. 1,000 kilometer. I'm not asking kilometer, Ishanvi. In 1 centimeter.
By mistakenly got
It's okay. In 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeter, right? So divide 50 by 10. There is 1 0 in 10. So cut 1 0 in 50. What is left? 5. So 5 is your answer. Okay, just do practice at home. The more practice you do, the more you learn. Okay, how do we measure length? We measure length from scale, and in 1 centimeter we have 10 smaller millimeters. We already know that. Let's do next. Okay, the length of smaller pencil. What is the length of smaller pencil here?
Ma'am, the screen is presenting is not visible.
My screen is not visible. Wait, let me share once again.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Are you able to see now? Mishika?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Everyone can see my screen? Okay, so Mishika, maybe you have some problem in your laptop.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just leave the class and come once again. Okay? Join it once again. So what is the length of smaller pencil? Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the length of smaller pencil?
The length of the smallest pencil is 8 centimeters.
Yeah, it's 8 centimeter. Ruhi, what is the length of longer pencil? Longer. Longer than smaller one. This one.
One.
Yeah.
12.
Yeah, 12 centimeter. Okay. Govind, what is the length of longest pencil?
15.5.
Yeah, 15.5 because it is more than 15. Okay, if you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it means 15.5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, let's try to measure some objects. Sharpener. Mishika, now are you able to see that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the measurement of sharpener? We always start with 0. So what is the length of sharpener? See here. See the numbers. It is between 2 and 3. Ishanvi, would you like to help her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is 2.5.
Yeah, 2.5 centimeter. How? See, this is 2.
Because after 2, I counted 5.
Yeah, after 2, there are 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is why it is 2.5. Mishika, what is the measurement of sharpener?
2.5.
Yeah, 2.5 centimeter. Okay. My next question is for Ruhi. Ruhi, what is the length of pencil?
6.
6 what?
The eraser. Centimeter, ma'am.
Yes, centimeter. 6 centimeter. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the third one is 10 centimeters.
Yeah, the pen is of 10 centimeter. Good. Do you all have sharpener, pencil and pen right now? Do you all have sharpener, pencil, pen with you?
Ma'am, I have all together only.
What do you have all together? You all have 3?
Yeah, in one, just in one.
Okay, so kindly measure all your tools, sharpener, pencil and pen and write the answer in chat box. Measure your tools and answer me in the chat box. Okay, Krishna's sharpener is 3 centimeter. Kids, do it fast. Govind sharpener is 2.6 centimeter. Okay. Measure your pencils and pen as well. Vishika, are you measuring something?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the measurement of your sharpener? Okay, roughly 16.7. How you can say roughly? It is exact 16.7, right? Yeah. Sharpener is 3.5.
Roughly means I estimated actually because it's longer than my ruler actually. See,
Okay, okay, okay.
it's very long.
It's very long. Okay.
Yeah.
Govind's pen is 14.5 centimeter.
मैम मेरी शार्पनर की लेंथ 2.9 है
2.9. Okay, good. Good. Okay, Govind pencil is 15 centimeter. Ruhi pen is 5 to 6. What is 5, 6, 5.6? Okay. So write point like this dot 5.6. Yeah, good. Okay, students. So I hope you enjoyed the class and you have learned the how you measure the length. Is there any confusion regarding anything? You're free to ask.
No,
problem.
ma'am.
Okay, Ishanvi, Mishika.
Ma'am, my pen, this red gel pen is about, not about, is 14.5 centimeter.
Okay, Mishika, Ishanvi, any doubt?
no ma'am
Okay, so after the class, just attempt the test and we will discuss in the next class. Okay, till then, bye. Bye.